I want to show you another way to unlock the screen password. As you can see here, the device is asking to enter the password. The customer forgot the password and doesn't know how to unlock it anymore. So we're going to take this opportunity to show you how to unlock your Samsung F15. Remember that you should remove your SIM card and also your memory card, because this procedure will erase all the information on your device. In some cases, you will also need to connect your phone with the USB cable so that it enters recovery mode, which is the unlocking mode I'm going to show you here, okay? So follow along step by step. We're going to teach you how to do it. Connect the cable, then press the volume down and power buttons at the same time. When the device restarts, release only the volume down button and press the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release only the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. We're going to show you the step-by-step process now so you can unlock your device. So put it into emergency mode, connect the cable, hold down volume down and power, and keep holding until the device restarts. Let's wait. Keep holding. Release the volume down and press the volume up. Pay attention to the screen. When the word Samsung appears, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button at the top, just like we told you. Alright, now you can disconnect the cable. Now we're going to scroll down by pressing the volume down button until you reach the option that says IP data factory reset and confirm with the power button. Now scroll down again and confirm once more. Let's wait for this information to be completed. Once this information is completed, we just confirm one more time, and here you can see in a moment the device will turn on and you'll notice that there won't be any more screen passwords, no screen lock pattern at all. Then you just need to set up your device as usual. Remember that this procedure also works for several other Samsung models. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and we'll help you out. If you also need to unlock your device from the Google account, we can do this unlocking no matter where you are. We can perform the procedure remotely, which is what we usually call the remote procedure. Alright? If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description. There's a QR code on the screen, and it doesn't matter how much you contribute. What matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you all. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.